kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby, remember.
Fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today I am just doing a simple DIY. I know it's Thrifting Fridays, but I'm doing a simple DIY just to show you guys that I'm changing up my dining room just a little bit for the Christmas season. And I am super excited about it. I'm showing you this tape measure. I got it from Amazon and I will link it down below. It has a leveler. It also has like a little notepad that you can write the measurements on. And here I am just cutting some wood, and I'm going to be using it for my faux fireplace mantle. Now, I am not completely done with this mantle. I still want to add some trim and some details and, you know, board and batten and all the things, right? So I am going to be doing that, but I just wanted to kind of start it out. I really just wanted to see what it would look like, and I love the way that it turned out. So y'all stay tuned, watch the video from beginning to end. I would love for you guys to do that. And yeah, I will chime in a little bit.
There to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me. To get you, don't forget. To get you, to get you, don't forget. To get you, to get you, don't forget. To get you, to get you, don't forget. To get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby, remember. There's nothing.
So this mantle, you guys, that I'm putting up, I actually thrifted this mantle years ago, and I've used it in my master bedroom. I've used it in so many spaces in my home, but it came to me as I was laying down at night and thinking about this particular wall and what to do with it, and boom, it just hit me. Add the mantle and do like a faux fireplace situation. So that is what I'm doing. This is just the start of it, and I cannot wait until everything is done, you guys. And it just looks so amazing. And in my head, what the idea is in my head looks even more amazing, and I cannot wait to completely finish the project and let you guys see it. But for now, we're just going to do this mantle, and I'm going to actually go ahead and paint it and decorate it for, you know, just a little bit of Christmas festiveness. But it's not going to be, you know, decorated this way for Christmas. Obviously, I'm going to do it differently. And of course, I have to do my dance because I'm excited. It's leveled and it's in the studs. And, you know, I'm happy about that, y'all. So happy about that. So when you guys see me doing my dance, it's because I'm happy that I'm doing it right. But this is the Rust-Oleum paint. I've used this on my furniture before. It is so durable. I love using it. And I'm going to go ahead and use it on here. Also, when I am completely done with the project, adding the board and batten and the moldings and the trims and all the things to zhuzh it up, I'm going to paint that entire thing this particular color. It is almond glossy color by Rust-Oleum. So I'm going to do that. And you guys, I am so excited because I'm also going to be painting the bottom half of the trim. It's like pure white right now, but I'm going to paint it in that color because I'm still trying to bring some, you know, a little bit of depth, a little bit of moodiness, some color to this space. And I just love the way that it turned out. I love the way that it's looking in my head, and I cannot wait to put it on, you know, put it on the board, put it on the wall, and all the vision just come to pass. So I'm going to leave you guys here. Let y'all enjoy the rest of the video and the music, and I will talk to you guys soon. This is the way it looks, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Also, I am going to be, you know, kind of throwing in some Christmas here and there, just a little bit of Christmas shopping. So y'all, you know, definitely look out for that, because that is definitely coming at the end of the month, and I am super excited about it. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.
To get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me.